Lal Bahadur Shastri, born on October 2, 1904, in Mughalsarai, India, was a prominent figure in the country's political landscape. He rose to become the second Prime Minister of India, succeeding Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964. Shastri's leadership style was characterized by simplicity and a deep commitment to the welfare of the Indian people. One of the most significant events during his tenure was the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. In the face of this conflict, Shastri exhibited remarkable resolve and leadership. He coined the slogan Jawan Jai Kisan, "Hail the soldier, hail the farmer," to rally the nation, acknowledging the vital roles played by both soldiers on the front lines and farmers who sustained the country with their agricultural efforts. This slogan became a symbol of unity and determination during the war. Shastri's dedication to India's self-sufficiency in food production was evident in his policies. He encouraged the Green Revolution, which aimed to increase agricultural productivity through the use of modern farming techniques and technology. This initiative had a profound impact on India's agricultural landscape, helping to alleviate food scarcity. He passed away in the 11th of January 1966, Tashkent, Uzbekistan.